Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening up my Boxy Luxe, and I'm also going to be trying on some of the products in here, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing in here looks like it's a bag of some sort. Okay, so here is the bag. It's like rose gold and it's also holographic, if you can see that, which is already a win in my book. So this is just like a basic little train case. It's like rose gold on the inside. It's Boxycharm. And this retails for $20. Next thing in here is from Lilly lashes, and these are the lashes in Gaia. So they're like really fluttery looking. Really pretty, and these retail for $24.99. Next thing in here is from Becca, and this is the Ultimate Lipstick Love in the color Sorbet. So I think these lipsticks are new, if I'm not mistaken. Has really nice metal packaging. Magnetic. Ooh, that's great. Okay. So here is the color. It's like a mauve shade. There's it swatched. So I'm going to put this on and see how it looks on my lips. Okay, so there it is on. It's just like a nice, really pinky mauve shade. It's really comfortable and hydrating. I really like this so far. This retails for $24, and it says it's a moisturizing 8-hour long-wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. So it does feel very moisturizing, and I'm really liking it so far. We'll see how I like it through the rest of the video. Hopefully it doesn't get all over my teeth. Okay, and next thing in here is from It Cosmetics, and this is the Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. So I have tried this before. I really like this moisturizer, and this is the Big Mama size, and it retails for $48. Okay, next thing in here is from Iconic London, and this is their eyebrow cushion. I got mine in the shade medium. Okay, so here's the packaging. It's like a nice metallic rose gold color. It has a nice little mirror in here. And then the cushion is in here. Let's rip off this really quick. So there's the color. That looks extremely dark for me. Don't know if that'll work out. But you also get this little brush that folds out. You get an eyebrow brush on one side and a spoolie. Let me swatch it on the back of my hand to see how it looks. Okay, so here is the lighter shade. That is so dark. Ooh, that is really dark, and that's the lighter shade. So okay, and here is the darker shade. Ooh, yeah, real dark, real dark. So I'll have to use a very light hand if I'm going to try that out. Would have worked better when I had brown hair, but I do not anymore, so. And this retails for $40. Okay, and next thing in here is from Deborah Lippmann, and this is a nail polish duo in the shades Oh Donna and Modern Love. So here are the two nail polishes. They're like little babies. This is like a nice mauve shade. And then this is like a nude with a pink shimmer running through it. so this duo retails for $20. Next in here is from Wander Beauty. This is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I feel like we've gotten a lot of peel off masks from Boxycharm lately, but this one retails for, where is it? $34. And next in here is some brushes from Moda. This is the Powder and Soft Glow Kit. Okay, so obviously you get a powder brush and a highlighting brush. We have gotten a few brushes from Moda and I have really liked them. One of the ones that I got completely fell apart when I got it, but I got a replacement for it from Boxycharm and it was fine after that. But I do like the other brushes that I have used so far, so hopefully these will be good as well. And they're a nice rose gold handle color. And this brush set retails for $29.99. Okay, next in here we have a palette from CoverFx. This is the Perfector face palette in light to medium, and this is actually a new product. And it retails for $45. So here are all the shades that I got, and it has a nice mirror up here. So it comes with 2 highlighters, 1 contour, 1 blush, 1 finishing powder, and a brightener, whatever that means. So I'm going to swatch all these on the back of my hand really quick to see how they look. Okay, so here are the 2 highlighters. More of a champagne and then more of a pinky rose gold color. This one is called Starlight and this is called Divine. And then here is the brightener called Moonbeam. And then the finishing powder called Stellar. And the finishing powder has like little glitter flecks in it for some reason. And the brightener is like a white highlight, so I don't know why it can't be called a highlighter as well, but. And then we have the contour called Silhouette and the blush called Sublime. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try out some of these and see how they look. First, I'm gonna try out the contour. Hopefully I don't look like a crazy person. Okay, so there's the contour. Definitely very pigmented, so use a very light hand with that one. And now I'm gonna try out the blush, and hopefully that one doesn't leave me looking like a clown. Okay, and now I'm gonna try out using this glittery looking finishing powder. Hopefully I don't look like a disco ball when I'm done. Okay, so the finishing powder, I can see glitter on my face, which is weird. It's not like big pieces of glitter, so I'm not sure if anybody else would notice it, but maybe if I went out in the sunlight I would look kind of crazy. So don't know how I feel about that. The powder brush worked well though, so. And now I'm gonna try out the more champagne colored highlighter. Okay, and there's the highlight. I think that one looked really pretty. I really like the highlighter, and this brush is more of like a flimsy brush, so I feel like it'd be better for like a loose highlight maybe, but not bad. So overall with this palette, I feel like the overall formula is very powdery, and the contour and the blush are like super overly pigmented, so like right when you put them on they like stamp on your face. So I don't really like that, but I do like the highlighter. I don't really like how the finishing powder has glitter in it. That's kind of weird. So overall kind of meh. Okay, and the last thing in here is from Morphe, and this is the 15N Night Master eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $16. Let's see what shades are in here. Whoop. One shadow down. Okay, so didn't break, but there's the palette. It has like some warmer shades and then some like purple tones. So I'm gonna create like a very simple look with this really quick and see how it goes. Hopefully no more shades fall out. Okay, so there is the completed look using the Morphe Night Master eyeshadow palette. I feel like a lot of the shadows were kind of patchy and splotchy when you put them on. So, I mean, Morphe is not my favorite eyeshadow formula. I really like the Jaclyn Hill palette, but that's about it. So, I feel like the colors are really pretty. It's like, you can get like a nice purpley copper eye. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all these because I forgot to do it earlier. Here is Custom, which is like my skin tone. Unique. Selfie. Talent. Shook. Va-Va-Voom. Illustrated. Goals. Editorial. Creativity. Scene. Cliche. Excuse me. Hello. And then lastly, the shade that fell out of my palette, Crease. So I do like the color story. It's like warm browns mixed with some purples. Really pretty. Morphe's just not the greatest formula of eyeshadows to me. They're not horrible. They're just not anywhere near as good as they're hyped up to be. Okay, so the total value of this box is $301.98. So I think I do like this box overall. Let's go back over through the products so I can tell you what I think of all of them. So here is the Traincase. I've just been putting all the makeup products in it and they all fit, so that's cool. But I do really like this case. Hollow anything is a win in my book, so that's good. The Morphe eyeshadow, it's okay. It's just not the best, so take it or leave it, I guess. The CoverFx palette, it's really cool that we got a new product in here, but the only thing I really like out of here is the highlighters. I feel like the contour, the blush, and the finishing powder just kind of a miss for me. The It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. I do really like this. It's definitely more of a cream rather than a gel formula, so I feel like this is really good for dry skin, which I have. The Wander Beauty Peel Off Mask. I do like peel off masks, so I'll definitely have to try this one and see how I like it. The Deborah Lippmann Nail Polishes. I do really like painting my own nails. I hate getting my nails done just because I like to change the color at least once a week, and that would be expensive to get them professionally done all the time. I do like both of these shades. This is just like more of your basic everyday color, and then this is like a nude with a pink to gold shimmer running through it. I think it's really pretty, so I'll definitely have to try those out. I've never tried Deborah Lippmann nail polishes before, so I'm not sure if I like the formula or not. The Lilly lashes, I really like the style of these. They're really pretty, but I don't really wear lashes that much, so I'm not sure how much I'll use these. The Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. I really wish I got a different shade of this. I don't know why this is so dark. I really want to try it out though, so I'll just have to use a very light hand with it. And I did swatch it a while ago, so let's see if it smudges at all. No, staying on there pretty good. So that's nice. I'll just have to use a tremendously light hand with it to get it to work for me because that's super dark. And then the Moda brushes, I do like. I have a brush that we've gotten a Boxycharm before just like this, so pretty much the same kind of brush as that feels like. And then the powder brush feels really nice. I really like that one. I'll definitely try it out more with a non-glittery face powder this time. And then lastly, the Becca lipstick. What is it called? Lip Love something? I really like the packaging. That's my favorite part. That's just the best part. But I do really like the color, and it still feels very moisturizing on my lips. It's been on for about half an hour now, and it's not on my teeth, so that's great. And I do really like the color. Moisturizing, great. We'll try it more. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my box. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. If you got the Boxy Luxe or just the regular Boxycharm, let me know what you got, and I will see you in my next video.